Tyrese Gibson has been arrested after failing to pay an upgraded child support to his ex-wife, Samantha Lee. Judge Kevin Farmer held Gibson in contempt of court and ordered that he pay $73,000 to avoid jail time. Last year, the actor was told to pay $10,000 per month, a big upgrade from the previous $2,200. Tyrese Gibson has since insisted on his innocence and even predicted his arrest in a now-deleted social media post. Gibson's legal woes continue following his arrest for failing to pay his court-ordered child support. According to TMZ, the Fast and Furious actor, who shares 5-year-old Soraya with his ex-wife Samantha Lee, was taken into custody on Monday morning when he attended a hearing at Fulton County Court. The presiding judge, Judge Kevin Farmer, had previously ordered Gibson to pay $10,000 a month to Lee for child support, and he refused. With his repeated refusal, Farmer held Gibson in contempt of court, and the actor was handcuffed and taken out of the courtroom. During the hearing, Judge Farmer told Gibson that he could settle the contempt charges and avoid jail time if he paid $73,000. This amount includes a $7,500 payment for Lee's attorney fees and the child support battle. As of last year, Gibson had been paying Lee about $2,200 monthly, even after Judge Farmer had bumped it up to $10,690. However, sources have told TMZ that Gibson is now making arrangements to pay the $73,000 he owes to secure his freedom from custody. In 2022, when Judge Farmer increased the child support figure, he gave Gibson advice in the courtroom because of how unhappy the actor looked after hearing the judgment. Farmer said, "This is not a punishment for you. Put that money where it belongs in the child." The judge also advised the former couple not to abuse each other or be mean in front of their daughter Soraya. Gibson predicted his arrest in a now-deleted Instagram post on Sunday, in which he insisted on his innocence. In the post, the baby boy actor called his ex-wife Lee's actions goofy and referred to it as baby mama drama because they have a valid prenup from their 2020 divorce. Gibson then claimed that Lee's lawyers, Adam Gleiklin and William Anderson, were in collusion with Judge Farmer. The singer said that the judge is biased against him because he filed multiple appeals for his removal from the child support case. Gibson also criticized Lee's lawyers for their incompetence in the case, saying they searched his movies and believe he was a cash cow because of his success. "Why does Samantha's lawyers just request all of my bank statements?" Gibson wondered per Vibe. "Why are they sending screenshots of my IMDb page? Leave me the f alone, man. I did a prenuptial agreement for a reason." Gibson discussed Judge Farmer's alleged bias against him in his post, claiming the judge has created a conflict of interest. He also wrote about how Farmer has refused to recuse himself from the case despite the alleged conflict of interest. His post read, "We are APPEALING, sick, all of his real INGs, and already AKV tried to get Juji thrown off the bench twice. The second time we tried to get him recused from the bench. He actually denied his own request to be thrown off the bench. Imagine that?" The post also accused Farmer of disregarding and illegally breaking his prenup with Lee. He wrote that the agreement was detailed and specific, and that it was unfair to increase his child support payments to $10,690 per month. He added, "It's pretty clear that they hate my guts, but I must remind them and everything about my life and my success. I've worked my ace off since I was 14 years old to get here. #family law courts are the worst towards FATERS despite Gibson's hard luck with his past marriages to Lee and ex-wife Norma, with whom he shares a teen daughter, Shayla. The actor revealed that he has not given up on the institution of marriage and desires to settle down again. "I want to get married and settle down and really nest and embrace the comforts of this family and married life," he said per Essence after his breakup from social media influencer Zelly Timothy. "I don't want to be in your clubs or around your women. I want to stay home and be the hard-working family man that I am." Timothy and Gibson dated for a year, but split in July 2022. At the time of the split, Gibson opined in several since-deleted posts that Timothy's lack of interest in committing fully to the relationship was the reason.